Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle guys. It doesn't matter if you have a Kia Rio, Kia Soul, Kia Optima, Kia Sorento Sportage guys. If you're trying to fix code P0011 or code P0014, stay with us guys and we'll explain a few things that can cause that thing. Make sure to stay until the end and you just hope that some of those causes is not what is causing your engine light to be on and you have code P0011 or P0014 guys. Now before we start, let me tell you, every single car we get at the shop we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. Number 2 guys, all the tools and parts that we use in our videos, or if you need to buy tools and parts for your Kia, check out the links in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts from as well guys. So hopefully that will be convenient as well. We usually get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well guys. So now it doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder engine, if you have even a 3-cylinder engine guys. You work on multiple 6 and 8-cylinder engines, but Kia mostly uses 4-cylinder engines guys. If you have any of these codes, I'm talking about code P0011 or 14, I'll explain guys, okay, some of the most common things that can cause that. Now this code guys, okay, actually states that you have problem with your timing. This actually indicates that you have problem with the timing and the timing is over advanced guys. So now that's where things get interesting. Some of you will say, okay, I probably jumped the timing chain or timing belt. It is likely guys, but what else could be? It could be something simple, and we're going to talk about that towards the end. But now when you see one of those codes, it's very likely guys, okay, it's very likely that you jump timing chain or timing belt. Sometimes the tensioner will fail, especially on the chains. We have a video on a Hyundai Kia engine because it's used by Hyundai and Kia as well. And as you know guys, if the timing chain tensioner fails or a timing guide breaks or the chain stretches, you can jump the timing chain easily. And that can result into any of these codes. And we fixed a few cars with that code already. Now, another thing guys that can happen, if the chain stretches, okay, the link between the chain links will be different and that can be caught by the computer, and actually that can trigger any of these two codes as well. It is very likely guys. Another thing that we've seen in the past, when you remove your valve cover, once you remove the valve cover guys, inspect the camshaft bearings. Okay, the camshaft bearings where the camshaft contacts the cylinder head guys, because the camshaft bearings, if they're done, if you have a bad bearing, that will mean that the camshaft will be moving slow. Okay, it will not advance, and that can guys cause that code as well if you have bad bearings. Now all that being said, what else it could be guys? Something simple as VVT solenoid. This is the variable timing solenoids. Now right here guys, you have, okay, this connector is for the solenoid. You can see just 2 wires. It's a solenoid that opens and closes. We have a special video that explains how to clean and how to test VVT solenoids, because if you have a solenoid that the wiring harness is broken, it is stuck or it's dirty and it cannot close, that can cause advanced timing as well and having any of these 2 codes. Now you have 2 of them, one for the exhaust camshaft, one for the intake camshaft. The one right here, okay, that's for the intake. This is for the exhaust. On most Kia cars will be located right there. Another thing guys, you have the actuators. Those are the variable timing sprockets that are driven by the timing chain or timing belt, depending which design you have. And if those sprockets guys, okay, if those sprockets malfunction, because we've had that happen as well, that can cause these codes as well, because when the sprocket malfunction, the solenoid will not be able to control the variable timing sprockets. So that's quite often we see that at the shop, and I'll recommend, if you have that problem, replace both sprockets and replace the whole timing chain kit guys as well, so you don't need to worry about anymore. Another thing, always inspect your camshaft position sensors. Make sure that they're plugged in and they're working correctly. If you don't know how to test camshaft position sensor, we have a special video on our channel that explains how to, and I will try to put the link in the description of the video below. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.